10:20 this evening, units were dispatched to an area off of Orangethorpe and Magnolia for reports of an individual in the flood control channel. Our first arriving unit was unable to locate the patient, but in tracing the flood control channel as it flows, we were able to locate one male who was holding two dogs that was in the flood control channel in a stationary position but needed to be rescued. We were able to rescue one of the dogs. The other dog was not able to be rescued. It washed away and is downstream. Currently, whereabouts are unknown. Both dogs had harnesses on at the time we attempted to effect a rescue. We attached a rope to both of those harnesses, and one of the dogs that ended up going downstream came out of its own harness. We were unable to rescue it.